birthday. It was tough getting her here because she had an idea a little bit of what's going on. So, but we got the girls in the front, and then Jason saying it's a brunch, but it was a long walk. At least 2-3 minute walk.
I don't remember having brunch in this room.
In any case, I'd like to do a toast. Everybody pick up your glasses.
You're not picking up that one. You're picking up the water part.
Kids, pick up the water. To my wife,
What is that?
best mom,
Yeah.
my best friend. Don't cry. Everybody loves you. I love you so much. Here's for another 40 years. I love you. Cheers.
Cheers.